Mouse. A mouse is a small, portable device that is used to control the movement of the cursor on a computer screen. Mice typically have 2 buttons, a scroll wheel, and sometimes additional buttons to provide additional functionality. Some mice are wired, while others are wireless and connect to a computer through a USB receiver or Bluetooth. Mice are an essential input device for computers and are commonly used in both personal and professional settings. The lifespan of a mouse can vary greatly depending on several factors such as the type of mouse, its usage, and the manufacturer. For a standard office mouse that is used for general computer tasks, the lifespan can be anywhere from 3 to 5 years. If the mouse is used for more intensive tasks or gaming, it may have a shorter lifespan due to the added wear and tear. On the other hand, a high-end gaming mouse that is designed for heavy use can last much longer, sometimes up to 10 years or more, with proper care and maintenance. In general, factors such as the mouse's build quality, frequency of use, and exposure to dust and moisture can all impact its lifespan. To prolong the lifespan of a mouse, it's important to clean it regularly, handle it gently, and store it in a safe, dry place when not in use. The behavior of mice can vary greatly depending on the species, the individual mouse, and the environmental conditions in which it lives. In general, mice are social animals that live in large groups and are active during the night. They are also highly curious and exploratory, and are known to gnaw on objects in their environment to test them and to keep their teeth trimmed. Mice use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with each other. They are also capable of forming complex social structures, with dominant individuals and hierarchical relationships. In captive environments, such as in laboratory settings, the behavior of mice can be influenced by factors such as housing conditions, diet, and social interaction with other mice and with humans. In the wild, the behavior of mice is influenced by the availability of food, shelter, and mates, as well as by the presence of predators. Understanding mouse behavior is important for a variety of fields, including biology, psychology, and veterinary medicine. By studying mouse behavior, researchers can gain insights into the evolution and function of social behavior in mammals, as well as into the effects of environmental and genetic factors on behavior. Mice are omnivores, which means they feed on both plant and animal-based foods. In the wild, their diet typically consists of a variety of seeds, fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. In captive environments, such as laboratory settings or as pets, mice are often fed a diet that is specifically formulated to meet their nutritional needs. This diet typically includes a mixture of grains, protein, and vitamins and minerals, and may be supplemented with fresh fruits and vegetables. It's important to note that the dietary needs of mice can vary depending on their age, health status, and level of physical activity. In general, mice require a balanced diet that provides sufficient amounts of protein, carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's also important to provide clean, fresh water to mice at all times. They are highly sensitive to changes in their diet and environment, so it's important to make any dietary changes gradually and to monitor their health closely. Mice are highly social animals and mate in large groups. Male mice are generally territorial and will compete with other males for access to receptive females. The mating behavior of mice is influenced by several factors, including hormone levels, social cues, and environmental factors such as the availability of food and mates. When a female mouse is in estrus, the period of reproductive readiness, she will emit pheromones that attract males. After mating, the female mouse will give birth to a litter of young, which are called pups. The number of pups in a litter can vary greatly, but typically ranges from 5 to 12. The female mouse will nurse the pups and care for them until they are old enough to forage for food on their own. Mice have a high reproductive rate and can have several litters each year, which can lead to rapid population growth. This, along with their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments, has led to their widespread distribution and success as a species. Here are some interesting facts about mice. 1. Diversity. There are over 40 different species of mice, with the house mouse being one of the most well-known. 2. Habitat. Mice can be found in almost every part of the world, from deserts to forests to urban areas. 3. Diet. Mice are omnivores and feed on a variety of foods, including seeds, fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. Poor social behavior. Mice are social animals and live in large groups with complex social structures. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and body language. 5. Reproduction. Mice have a high reproductive rate and can give birth to several litters of young each year. 6. Intelligence. Mice are intelligent animals and are capable of learning and adapting to new environments. They are also used as research models in fields such as psychology, neuroscience, and pharmacology. 7. Pest status. While mice can be kept as pets, they are often considered pests due to their ability to cause damage to crops and stored food, as well as for their potential to spread diseases. 8. Evolution. Mice are believed to have evolved from a common ancestor with rats and are closely related to other rodents such as squirrels, beavers, and rabbits. 9. Cultural significance. Mice have been depicted in art, literature, and folklore for centuries, and have played important roles in many cultures and civilizations.